Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, production of 155 mm shell to meet soaring export demand. Yantra India Limited, a major Indian state-owned defense production company, is experiencing a surge in demand for its 155 mm artillery shells. This positive development is driven by a growing export market, propelling Yantra India Limited towards significant production growth. Next, equipping Prachand attack helicopters with obstacle avoidance system, that is OAS. India's state-owned Hindustan Aeronautic Limited is set to test a new obstacle avoidance system for its indigenously developed light combat helicopter Prachand. This system will provide a crucial safety upgrade for pilots, particularly during low-level flights maneuver. Attack helicopters like the Prachand excel in low-level flying maneuvers, making them idle for taking out armored regiments. However, this operational environment also presents unique challenges. Next, a climate chamber test facility for fighter jets. The long-awaited dream of DRDO and HAL is to establish an indigenous climate chamber test facility for fighter jets appears to be nearing fruition. This facility will be a game changer for India's domestic fighter jet development, offering a multitude of advantages. Climate chambers can simulate a wide range of weather conditions, from scorching deserts to frigid high altitudes. This eliminates the need for time-consuming and expensive relocation of test jets to geographically diverse locations. Next, a comparative analysis of U-212 and S-80 plus submarines for India's NG submarine program. Submarines have long been an essential component of naval defense strategies worldwide, providing stealth, mobility, and firepower beneath the waves. Among the modern submarines in service, the U-212 and S-80 plus stand out as notable examples of advanced maritime technology. In this, we will delve into the feature of capabilities of these two submarines and compare them across various aspects. See, U-212 submarine is a diesel-electric submarine developed by the German company ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems. It features a unique design optimized for stealth and agility. On the other hand, S-80 plus submarine is a Spanish design developed by Navantia. It incorporates advanced technologies and is one of the most modern diesel-electric submarine in the world. Next, single-seat FA-50 light combat aircraft to compete with LCA Tejas and JF-17. Korean Aerospace Industries is set to develop a single-seat variant of its FA-50 light combat aircraft in collaboration with both military and civilian sectors. This new iteration, estimated to cost $48 million for initial development, aims to capitalize on the growing market for affordable yet capable fighter jets. The single-seat FA-50 will shed its rear seat, creating additional internal space for two key improvements. Firstly, the increased volume will allow for more fuel storage, potentially extending the aircraft's range by 30%. Secondly, this space can be utilized for a ground collision avoidance system, enhancing safety during operations. Thank you.